Dr. Dar's session today was amazing. It's what we needed at this moment. We have been postponing all week, but we decided that we needed to do this one virtually because the community really needed to hear from Dr. Dar, and he delivered. The chat was amazing, and people really tuned in and got something from his message today. So I'm so thankful that we were able to carry out his presentation. He's homegrown. I mean, not only is he a two-time graduate of Grand Valley State University, but he's also from the local high school, Ottawa Hills High School, and we love to see our people go out into the world and do great things, but also come back, you know, and share their knowledge and their expertise with people who can really benefit, you know, from their knowledge. He will definitely bring excitement to your campus. He will lift up your students, and he will show them a roadmap on how to produce a vision and how to carry that vision out. So I highly recommend that you book Dr. Dar now.